Welcome back, YouTube. It is already September in the year 2018, and this is the promised relaunch of the channel, DesignIY, which is the prerequisite to doing it yourself. You've got to know how to design it yourself. We're going to be getting into that, but I've had my hands full with designing and remodeling my own first home that I purchased just 2 years ago. And so I'm going to take you along for that ride before we get really started with the design portions of everything. But I want to get it from a different angle, maybe on the design it side. Once you have something designed, are you going to do it yourself or are you going to hire it out? I'm going to be answering all of those questions in the days to come, but for today, we're starting fresh with our bathroom remodel. Should you or should you not take on the demolition portion yourself? We're looking at part one of my bathroom remodel. You're watching DesignIY. Coming at you ultra late at night. Go ahead and grab your energy supplement of choice. And let's start the demo. So of course, before you get into pulling everything out, making a big mess, you just take the things out that are easily removed, like the trim I got laying there in the tub. And then of course there was a peel and stick floor on top of this that's already removed for the most part. Just threw it there in the drawer, making good use of it. There was also a mirror on the wall that had a hole behind it. You'll see that in a second. This is a cross section of the floor. Just took the registered vent cover out so I could see what I was getting into. So the peel and stick tile I've already removed, some linoleum, and then more vinyl tile, the original hardwood floor, and then subfloor underneath that. And there's the hole I was talking about. Clearly used to have a recessed medicine cabinet, but surrounding it you can also see the wall material. It's not drywall, it's not plaster, it's actually plywood somebody wallpapered and did a terrible job trying to mud, and it looks like they tried to put drywall mud on with like a China bristle brush. Like this, and then you are connected to the sewer already. You need to cover it up, so I'm going to take a couple layers of cloth there and just take a rubber band and tie it over the top, and that should prevent most of the sewer gas from coming up into the room. Warm water with our 5-gallon here. Free toilet. Anybody wants it? I don't want to put this. Oh no! Check it out, it's a new product. It's called Floor to Drawer. Want some? It's all your floor fits in a drawer. So the object here is going to be, let's just remove all the drawers by hand and then see what we can take out with the crowbar all in one piece. Robot time! Yeah!
I vow never to use construction nails on this house. Finish nails don't count. Alright! Really? Outlet cover? Oops, there goes the outlet cover. That's another thing. This guy uses newspaper, rolled up newspaper, as shims. And he puts it in the glue. I don't understand. Please somebody explain. It was screwed to a board that went down the laundry chute. We need to lift it up. Got it, Ipe? Got her. Want a cabinet? I get a cabinet. Oh, this is really starting to get old. Cabinet. He-Man! Well, that was helpful. Anyway, this is the last piece. All kinds of staples sticking out the back. Well, YouTube, I gotta call it quits for tonight, but man, does this place look different. We don't have the vanity, we don't have the toilet. This is all gone. I want to show you this. It's what was causing so much trouble. Now this is making me real happy because this is lath. And this whole room was plaster and lath. That means when whoever did whatever they did to put up plywood instead of drywall or any other type of wallboard, they actually knocked all the plaster off the lath before mounting it. Which means, hopefully, whenever I take all this plywood off, there ain't gonna be no plaster underneath it. So somebody's already done me the benefit of going ahead and taking that out.
So I've got to cut it there just to keep this video watchable. I'm sure you understand there's more of this demo to come, but that was the fun, easy part, just taking everything out of the room. That's what you think of when you think of demo. The only thing I was starting to get surprised with is just having a place to put all of those things. If I remember right, I was doing it when it was starting to get cold outside, and the room that I'm in right now is actually the room that I put everything in, and it did start to pile up. But other than that, it was pretty quick work. It was pretty easy to change the whole look of the whole space real quick. But definitely tune in next week whenever we start getting dusty with it. And then I gotta show you what we're gonna do with that cast iron tub. So thanks for watching the first video of the DesignIY relaunch, and that's a demo. Follow this project all the way through. Hit the subscribe button so you know the second that I release another video, and you can follow along from there. As right now, I plan on doing it once a week, so if you're following along, we'll keep that cadence and we'll go from there. Thanks guys. Drop a like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. DesignIY, signing out.
I had to shut the door because this one wouldn't come out, so I didn't show you. And I had never shut this door before. Turns out whenever you shut it, you can't open it from the inside, so I was stuck in here for like 30 hours Until my mom finally answered her phone and came over and let me out. Just kidding. That didn't really happen.